Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
Recently I always feel like my cat looks like someone. Until my friend sent me this picture.
Así, lo siento, pero a mí me gusta andar cagando el palo. Soy una persona divertida, me gusta el desmadre, me gusta andar entre el desvergue, el mierdero, es lo que me gusta a mí. Yo
You'll be fine. Let it go. I'm gonna shake it out.
Shit don't even make no fucking sense.
Jesus Christ.
All right, I'm gonna go. I need to go to work and make money for this fucking family. But you guys have a great day, just sitting around doing nothing, sleeping all day. All of that. Yeah, just enjoy yourselves.
We're talking Teletubbies. Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and motherfucking Po.
Six scientific reasons you should get a cat. Number 1 is believed the cat's purr has therapeutic healing effects on human bones and muscles. The frequency they purr at is shown to have a positive effect on joint mobility after an injury. Number 2, they make you more attractive. A study showed that 90% of single women saw men with cats as nicer and more caring. Say you gotta spend money to make money, but you gotta get a cat to get more cat. You know what I mean. Number 3, they're good for your heart. Owning a cat can lower your risk for heart disease by 30%. Cats really make us healthier by just existing. Number 4, children exposed to cats at a young age are less likely to develop allergies. Basically, cats are Benadryl with whiskers with no chance of overdose. Number 5, owning a cat reduces stress and anxiety. Apparently, your body releases calming chemicals just when you're around a cat. Apparently, just watching cat videos on the internet can improve your serotonin levels while reducing negative emotions. So imagine what this cat collecting game could do for your mental health. Yeah, think about that. And number 6, they can actually help you sleep better. A study done by the Clinic for Sleep Medicine found that 41% of patients slept better with their pet cats. So yeah, get a cat.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head? Hi.
Do you want to form an alliance with me? Absolutely, I do. Good. Good.
Guys, I don't know what's wrong with my cat. Why does he look like that? What is wrong?
It's the final brain cell.
Gerald, come in, baby. Gerald.
Do it again. Front flip. Guys, dude? What the, dude, you're stuck. Dude, stop doing that.
We're talking Teletubbies. Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and motherfucking Puff.
Yay, bro.
We have to go. We have to go. We have to go to the vet. We have to go. We have to go.
To the crib, then I push him on the sofa. Have his breath smelling like pussy and mimosa. We ain't finished, tell him beat it up. And if the pussy stop breathing, give it skippy up. It's so tight, think he slipped in my butt.
Ah, Jesus fucking Christ, are you dinophilia? Okay. Oh my, what the fuck?
You know why these bitches love me? Cause baby don't give a fuck. I be pulling the weed while she's sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. You just go, What?
Oye, hazme caso.
Why is tomorrow Monday again? I didn't do anything this weekend. Maybe I should work harder in 2021. Never mind, I forgot I am just a cat. I want treats and catnips now.
On the sofa, have his breath smelling like pussy and mimosa. We ain't finished, tell him beat it up. And if the pussy stop breathing, give it skippy up. It's so tight, think he slipped in my butt.
You know, PetSafe likes our videos so much that they sent us a litter box because they want to sponsor a post.
Box.
Genji, I've been meaning to talk to you about how much you poop. It's quite a lot.
Bruh.
Beginning to realize that it's not just toy boxes, it's anything boxes.
What's in here?
Genji, Sombra's inside it. Stop! Are you safe?
Oh, you mean a privacy cover's got magnets and a rake?
Did you guys really deserve this? I don't know. We're not using it yet. Please don't open the bag. This is fancy.
What's it heckin' doing?
What are you doing? What is this?
Corky, while Genji is now studying the new litter box in his home.
Are you petting this? You petting the litter? Why is this a thing?
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.